So yun, good morning ma'am. My topic is about Special Time Allowance for Loyalty or STAL. Article 98, Special Time Allowance for Loyalty. A deduction of 1/5 of the period of the sentence shall be granted to any prisoner who, having evaded his preventive imprisonment of the service of his sentence under the circumstances mentioned in Article 158 of this code, gives himself up to the authorities within 48 hours following the issuance of the proclamation announcing the passing of the calamity or catastrophe referred to in said article. A deduction of 2/5 of the period of the sentence shall be granted in case said prisoner choose to stay in the place of his confinement, notwithstanding the existence of a calamity or catastrophe enumerated in Article 158 of this code. So, ang Special Time Allowance for Loyalty or STAL is a provision under the Article 98 of the Revised Penal Code. This law grants certain sentence deduction to a prisoner deprived of liberty or yung mas kilala natin sa tawag na PDLs who demonstrate loyalty to authorities during the calamities or disaster. STAL is a reward given to inmates who show loyalty to the authorities during a calamity or disaster, such as an earthquake, fire, or any event that makes it easy or unavoidable for prisoners to escape. Here's how it works. So sa table, makikita natin yung during calamities and the PDL inmate escape but will. Number 1, if an inmate escape but returns within 48 hours, they will get a deduction of 1/5 of their sentence. This means they will be released earlier because they voluntarily come back shortly after the disaster. So yung pag nag-escape daw po ang isang inmate during a calamity pero bumalik siya within 48 hours, makakatanggap siya ng deduction sa kanyang sentence na 1/5. Next ay number 2. If an inmate chose to stay in jail during the calamity, they get a larger reward of 2/5 of their sentence is deducted. This is because they showed loyalty by staying despite the danger and even if the facility became open or unsecured. So yun, kapag hindi naman daw po tumakas ang isang inmate during a calamity at nagstay siya sa kanyang prison, ay makakatanggap siya ng malaking reward which is 2/5 of his sentence will be deducted. Number 3. If the inmate returns after 48 hours, they get a 1/5 deduction but only if they return on their own. So yun, same lang sa deduction ng pang-una, yung matatanggap nila. Ang kinaiba lang nito ay sa number 1 within 48 hours. At dito naman sa pangatlo is after 48 hours. And dito naman sa pangatlo but only if they return on their own. Pero same lang din sila ng deduction na makukuha which is 1/5. Pangapat naman is if the inmate does not return, there is no deduction and the inmate may be charged with evasion of service of his sentence. So kapag ang inmate daw po is nagtakas during a calamity at hindi siya bumalik, wala siyang matatanggap na deduction at pwede pa siyang ma-charge pa siya ng evasion of service of his sentence. So yun, yung pagtakas pagtakas sa kulungan nang hindi pa tapos yung sentence na binigay sa kanya ng korte. Example. So makikita natin dito sa labas, sa baba ang STAL for escapist and computation of convict and not yet convict. So yun, receiving date received plus maximum possible penalty plus time gap minus time allowance minus maximum possible penalty minus 1 day constant equals expected date of release. Computation if convicted. Date received, maximum possible penalty plus time gap minus time allowance earned minus maximum possible penalty minus 1 day constant expected date release. So may example dito sa baba, which is the inmate was convicted of murder. Maximum penalty, reclusion perpetua, counted as 40 years. A calamity happened, an earthquake that caused the jail wall collapse. The inmate stayed in jail despite the opportunity to escape. So yun, sa table, kapag nagstay ang inmate, even though may opportunity siyang makatakas, ang makukuha niyang deduction is 2/5 of his sentence. The inmate stayed in jail despite the opportunity to escape. Because of this, the inmate gets 2/5 of the 40-year sentence. They also subtract time allowance earned like good conduct, time allowance, minus a 1 day constant used in computation. So yun, paano nga ba kinukompute ang STAL? Starting point ang receiving date, add maximum penalty, yung nakalagay dun sa example is 40 years. Add time gap kung meron, deduct time allowance earned minus 60 days. Nakita natin dito sa baba. STAL deduction 40 years. Ta-times lang natin to sa deduction na nakuha niya. Doon sa example is 2/5. Kaya ta-times natin. 40 years times 2/5 equals 60 years deduction. Minus 1 day constant. Result, expected date of release is 2038 10/31, which is October 31, 2038. Yun lang po.